Hi, my name is Riva Perez, my husband Arman Perez, and my daughter Angel Perez, and we are from Santa Cruz, Fonda, and we have made our Christmas crib over here. That has taken us quite some time, and this time we have also added movements to it. My husband, who takes all the efforts in doing this crib for almost a month every year. We participate also in the crib competition every year, winning prizes too. So yes, this is about our crib, and we would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, compliments of the season, and a very, very Happy New Year. Thank you.